Hello, my name is Joe Onisick, Principal Engineer with Cisco Systems, and we're here to talk about how ACI can help IT organizations respond faster to business challenges. We're going to do that through a few scenarios. In this scenario, what we're talking about is a DevOps methodology for application deployment. When we take a traditional environment, we have silos of infrastructure teams, compute, network, and storage, that are then further siloed off from the developer and application architects teams, which actually drive that application. This causes problems with security, compliance, governance, risk, as well as speed of adoption for new applications. So with a DevOps environment, we're looking at meshing these two teams together more closely so that developers work more closely with operations and vice versa so that we can deploy applications more fluidly and rapidly. This is traditionally done using tools or relying on tools that provide automation and programmability from an infrastructure perspective to help these teams work together. That is exactly how ACI operates. ACI provides a network-wide infrastructure exposed via an API for both the physical and virtual environments. This API is common, fully open, and exposed regardless of how you'd like to use it. This is very different from some of our competition who exposes only the portions of the API that they choose to expose, hiding the rest behind legal agreements and royalties that they only allow to certain entities or people. We wanted to ensure that we're enabling this full methodology across the board in an open architecture that can plug into things like OpenStack, CloudStack, or other management automation tools. So what we're able to do is take the concept of DevOps into a tooling by building out application network profiles that are automatically going to translate what a developer team needs to understand to what an operations team needs to understand, and vice versa across the lifecycle of the application. So we can take the requirements of load balancing, firewalling, and the rest and expose those as compliance and security to the developer team, while we're exposing them as the ports, protocols, and devices required to make that happen to the operations team. This not only allows us to deploy applications more quickly by automating the provisioning of this once it's verified to the infrastructure wherever that application touches, but it also allows us to maintain that application through its life cycle and meet the SLAs required once an application is up and running. Again, this differentiates us very much from the other SDN solutions that are out there today. Thank you very much for your time.